Hello everyone, welcome to this fun and easy crochet coaster tutorial. Coasters are perfect for protecting your surfaces while adding a handmade touch to your home. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you've got this. Let's create something beautiful together. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more cozy projects. Ready? Let's get started. For round 1, we're starting with the foundation. Here's what you do. Make 2 unfinished double crochets, then chain 2. Repeat this pattern, 2 unfinished double crochets, chain 2, 6 times total. You're doing great already. Tip, keep your tension even for a nice, tight circle. Next up, round 2. This is similar to the first round, so you're already a pro at this. Do 2 unfinished double crochets, chain 2, and repeat that 6 times. Awesome job. See how it's starting to take shape? Tip, count your stitches to make sure you have 6 sets. For round 3, we're switching gears a bit. Work 7 double crochets, then repeat that 6 times around. You're building the body of your coaster now. How cool is that? Keep going, you're amazing. Tip, use a stitch marker to track the start of each round. Moving on to round 4. Here, you'll do 7 single crochets followed by 1 double crochet, and repeat that 6 times. Look at this beauty coming together. You're crushing it. Tip: make sure your single crochets are snug to keep the edges neat. For round 5, let's add some growth. Work 3 double crochets, then do a double crochet increase, which is 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Repeat this around. You're so close now, fantastic effort. Tip: check your increases to avoid puckering. Round 6 is super simple. Just single crochet all the way around. This smooths everything out, and you're doing wonderfully. Take a moment to admire your work. You've got this. Tip: keep your stitches consistent for a polished look. Finally, round 7, this is where it gets fancy. Here's the pattern: single crochet, skip 1 stitch, work 5 double crochets in the next stitch, skip 1, and repeat this 15 times around. Wow, you did it! You're a crochet star. Tip: space your shells evenly for that perfect scalloped edge. And there you have it, your very own handmade crochet coaster. Isn't it gorgeous? You should be so proud of yourself for creating this. If you love this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe for more crochet adventures. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to make next. Happy crocheting!